Hello guys and welcome to Chinmay Electronics. So here I am representing the PWM control of LED brightness using a PIC microcontroller. So here I am using a PIC 16F628A device. So I deliberately kept the time period between the two PWM duty cycles about 350 milliseconds so that you can see each and every small voltage control of a PWM cycle. So you can see how exactly the LED's brightness is going to get increased. Similarly, we can control the speed of a motor or the brightness of some other LED device. You can see how small steps it is taking. So this PWM has around a 10-bit resolution in PIC 16F microcontroller, and here you can see the program written to control the PWM values of PIC microcontroller. So here are some configuration register values. Then I'm using the crystal frequency of 4 MHz internal clock, and pin third of port B is I'm using, and in for loop inside a while loop infinite loop I'm continuously changing the value of CCP-R1L capture compare register value. So we usually load the value of PWM in a lower register of CCP-R1L, and that value is loaded into CCP-R1H, and then the PWM value is can be controlled. Here are the registers of PIC 16F628A. So we control the values with the help of that. This is a CCP1 con register, control the capture compare register. Here we using 0 to 3 bit we select the PWM mode as 11XX, that is 11 and don't care, and then we use this TMR2 as a clock source for this PWM block. So you can see there is a comparator between a CCP-R1L and timer 2 and a PR2, that is period register. So using this formula we load actually the period, that is in PR2 we load the basically the frequency, and in CCP-R1L we load the duty cycle. And here you can see the values are changing very at a good steps. Thank you.